it's Mike from Mike's 50. I'm putting in my JB Plus tune that I'm going to put in here for now, and then I have a year. Burger Tune will take this back and they'll give me a full refund towards a JB4. So I'm just going to try this one out first, see what the car does, and we'll do some pulls with it and review on it. So now I'm going to install it. I watched the JB Plus Burger Tune install, and it seems like I need to pull this clip out right here, pull this clip out, and then put, there's no way to do it wrong because this clip goes in here like so. Like that, see? The other way it wouldn't go in, and then this end goes in like that, and then you push the lock clip and it's all done. That's it. Try to tuck this in here as best I can, and then put the cover back on. And that's it. I suggest that you watch the Burger Tune install all this. I just did this rough thing, so we'll do some pulls with it later. I'll put that in the video too. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, it's Mike from Mike's 50. Again, I didn't put any more to the video because I wanted to test drive it, and you know, it's a little bit more power, not as much as I thought. So they said there's a dial inside here in this JB Plus, so I'm going to take this off and I'm going to turn up the dial and I'm going to reinstall it. And I also got this I'll pull this plug out of here. I also got an intake that I'm going to be putting on, so I'll show you some clips of that. And this is supposed to give me some even better throttle response, and I'm supposed to get the turbo spool up more. So let's hope that actually happens, because it'll be good. Okay, I reinstalled the tune. I turned up the dial. Didn't seem like I had much room to go, so we'll see how that works. I turned that up, and now I can take this out. I undid these clips, so this whole massive piece comes off, and then I have to put the sensor in here, and then this bracket goes on here, and it goes over here to hold it. So I'll do all that and I'll get back to you. Okay, I got everything together, and I'm trying to put this thing in here, and then you look, you get the clips are going to rattle. So this is a very poor design that they came up with here. Then it doesn't fit in there straight. See, you can't even get it. You can't get it in there straight. You get it in there straight, and then this doesn't line up with this hole that it's supposed to be on without pulling apart. So you put it together like that. See the hole? So it doesn't even work. So all this for nothing. So maybe getting this back. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you have a newer G20, I wouldn't suggest putting this filter system on. It just doesn't work out. Their mounting bracket's not angled correctly. This box should come out. So, alright, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Bye.